Hey, welcome. This is Pete, and in this video, I'm going to share with you one of the most profitable and long-term ways to earn daily, weekly, monthly, annually in crypto with DeFi. Decentralized finance is one of the, I think, profitable ways to grow your crypto profits, especially in the bear market. See, it's easy to buy coins, right, that are going up in value in a bullish market. Right now, my friend, we're in a bearish market. This means that, Bitcoin is maybe 20,000, 19,000. I believe it's going to go all the way to 10,000 and maybe even below that before we start seeing another bull market. So we can be going in a downward trend here for months to come. What is the best way to not just save your crypto, but grow it? My friend, I believe it's liquidity pools. Okay, this is decentralized finance in its finest way. This is how the big players make their big money, okay? Even big exchanges. And with that said, if you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video, because we love to share with people how they can make passive income and how to duplicate their crypto and collect real wealth assets during this inflation financial crisis we're going through, right? And come out on top just like the wealthy are doing, just like the big players are doing. In this video, I'm going to show you how the big players are providing liquidity, right, into liquidity pools and making consistent money. Once you learn these simple, skills, you'll be able to apply this over and over again in any market. This is not trading. This is not mining crypto, right, which comes with a lot of risk and many years of experience. This is learning a couple basic things that you can start to apply today, right, and actually learn how to get consistent passive profits and protect your crypto assets at all time. In fact, let me share with you a quick example how to provide liquidity, right? Which basically means you're providing some funding. There's people like on exchanges that like to buy a specific coin for the lowest cost and those who want to sell. So you'll be someone in the middle. You'll be collecting the difference and collecting on transaction fees and being like a big exchange, right? Being somebody who's providing some liquidity and gaining on fees and transaction differences. In a nutshell, right? There's a lot of mechanics behind it, but that's all really you need to know is you can provide liquidity and duplicate your cryptocurrency while protecting it and having full access to your funds at any time. So here's an example. I can go to PancakeSwap, which is one of the biggest decentralized exchanges out there. And you can go up here where it says trade, right? And there's an option called liquidity. When you click on liquidity, you can actually provide liquidity and you can choose which crypto coins to add it to. So by clicking add liquidity, you select 2 coins and pair them up. First of all, you want to make sure these coins are in your wallet, okay? And so I'm going to select, let's say, BNB, and I'm going to select it against, say, Cake, which is the PancakeSwap coin. Now, I know these are both solid coins because BNB is the Binance coin, and it's what's used in my wallet to trade against anything else on PancakeSwap. And the Cake is a native coin of PancakeSwap. So I know there's a lot of transactions between the BNB coin and the Cake coin. And as you can see, it says in my wallet, because I connected my wallet, it says my balance is 6 in Cake and 0.73 in BNB. So those are the dollar values. Add liquidity, okay? And now it's going to ask me how much BNB and how much Cake do you want to apply. Well, I can just click max on the Cake, and it'll provide the same value in BNB as well. So we're only doing this with like $19, $20, right? So I'm going to click enable Cake. It's going to make sure I confirm it on my wallet. And then it says transaction receipt complete. And I'm going to click supply and confirm supply. And once more, it's going to ask me to confirm it on my wallet. And yes, I'll add the Cake-LP to my MetaMask, okay? This means that I now created a pair. And of course, it's going to take a little of the BNB coin for fee. But now when I open up my MetaMask, right, I'll go to assets and there it is. See, 0.65. It converted it to that specific pair between BNB and Cake, okay? And so now when I go back to trade and liquidity, there you go. There's my liquidity pool. See, Cake-BNB. And when I drop it down, it'll tell me you put this much Cake and this much BNB in there. Share of the pool is 0.01%. So over time, as people are coming in here and trading this coin against the other, I'll be collecting on some of those fees, right? Initially, my goal is to grow my balance here, and then when at any time I can trade it back. Now the main question here is, in this current market, is the PancakeSwap and the Binance coin the best pair, right? So that's the main question, right? Is it the best pair? Are these coins going to go up or down in value, and how will that affect this? In a bear market, in most cases, if the coins drop more in value, my liquidity pool might be going in the loss, right? So here's the thing. This is just an example of how you provide liquidity and collect on fees. But understanding also market conditions is exactly why when you click below, you'll learn exactly how to provide liquidity like a pro, best liquidity pairs, best liquidity sites, and how to maximize your results where you can get 10, 20%, annually, right? Up to 50, 60%, sometimes over 100%. You can get annual returns on your investment regardless of what market it's in. Protect it, insure it, right? And offset your loss and put all these right triggers in place so your investment can grow non-stop. Listen, this is just a basic example of something you can do, but what are the real best ways and most profitable ways, especially in the bear market, to provide liquidity? What are the best sites and what are the best coin pairs? Okay, sometimes it's not even a good idea to maybe provide liquidity with coin pairs that might be falling in value. Sometimes it's better to pair up with a stable coin, right? And offset your loss. You can, protect yourself and say, hey, if the market drops another 40, 50, 60%, I will still come out profitable. How do you do that, right? This is the kind of stuff that I'm excited to share with you. So if you click below, you're going to learn exactly how to master this, my friend. Exactly how to provide liquidity, how to insure your investment, right? Insure your crypto so you don't, even if you lose it, if something happens, you are insured. Think of it as an insurance policy on your car. If you wreck it, the insurance company pays you back the value of the car, right? Same here, right? How to offset your loss, how to protect yourself even in the bear market and come out profitable and win like the big players. Duplicating your cryptocurrency in a way that the big exchanges are doing and the big players are applying. So providing liquidity, my friend, right? Being market makers, right? This is the kind of stuff that is, long term. This is not investing into some kind of platform that may be here and gone tomorrow. This is you having control over your funds, okay? And you're making money on a big scale in the crypto market, regardless what the market conditions are. Go ahead and click the #1 link below. I partnered up with somebody and we want to show you exactly how to win big with liquidity pools. By providing your crypto, you deserve to be paid on it and not lose it. Okay, that's, something you can learn exactly how to apply, how to do. This is something you won't really find too many people talking about in the greatest detail to where you can be a master at this, right? And be a powerhouse in the crypto space. But let us show you a path, let us show you a way how you can put your crypto to work for you, duplicate it, secure it, right? Very low risk ways to always grow your crypto, always have access to it, have control over it, and know exactly how to win in any market. Click below, check this out. I think you're going to really enjoy learning some of the top skills that most people in the crypto market don't even know. And with that said, I'll see you on the inside.